There we go.
So, where are we?
We're up in
bedroom,
up in the bedroom. So we've dressed it as an Elizabethan bedroom. We've got a palliasse on the floor, and then
a palliasse.
A palliasse is it's like it's a mattress basically. This one's stuffed with straw. It could be stuffed with the little offcuts of wool.
Yes.
Any of the mattresses could be, or they used to use meadow sweets. They used to use whatever they had to hand, basically.
And of course, this is a sort of material that caused the issues with the fleas.
Yes.
And the plague and.
Well, you couldn't change that sort of thing very often, could you? Because I don't suppose.
It's quite heavy, isn't it?
Yes. So you wouldn't, and you wouldn't have the material either. So you would literally keep things.
So we're like the husband and wife maybe slept here, and
yes,
the kiddies would have slept there.
Yeah, we've shown both beds.
Right.
Because obviously, and indeed, a servant might just have a few rags on the floor downstairs by the fire, or they did have what I think looked like porters' trolleys beds, which they had two wheels at the front and a slight thing, and they were put away for the servants, and they were put away in cupboards. So, which again I think is quite fascinating.
Just over here, you said this is a bottom print.
Well, it's basically generations of people, because candles, all form of lighting, all form of energy, as it is today, is incredibly expensive, and I don't think it's ever not been expensive. No. So if you could catch the natural light, you would sit near a window. And on this one, we have where you can see generations of people have sat.
Buttock.
Yes.
Buttock. Bit in the middle.
Yes. And that is over several centuries.
It's a lovely place to sit, because you've got a lovely light from here.
Yes.
And of course, across the other side, you tell me there's another one.
Yeah, a very faint one. Yes.
And you can just see it. Help me where it is again.
It's just here. There's the middle bit, and then the other one. Remember, this is the later wood. This is 17th century wood, so it hasn't been here as long as the other side.
To me, it's an amazing thought that someone would sit here having almost the same view as I've got today.
Yes, but with a radically less busy river today.
You know, I'm sitting in exactly the same spot.
Yes.
To the inch.
Yes.
It's fabulous, isn't it?
Yes.
And this place has got an atmosphere.
I think it's friendly.
Yes, it's good.
It is. Yes.
It's good. And of course, the other thing is the lovely staircase, isn't there? Which is a death trap waiting to happen.
Yes. This is the later, because we have 4 rooms and 2 staircases, which, because it got split in the late 17th century, and became 2 homes.
We could go downstairs now.
Well, I'll let you go first.
Okay, here we go. Hold on, Steve. Here we are again. It has been a fabulous time, and I thank you very, very much.
It's a pleasure.